Welcome to Maker's Choice. In today's video we are going to do lemon rice. And to make lemon rice all we need is some cooked rice, some oil for cooking, chopped coriander leaves, turmeric powder, lemon juice, chopped onions, salt to taste, gram dal, peanuts, mustard seeds, few leaves of curry leaves and 2 dry chillies. Now heat a pan, pour some oil in it, add the mustard seeds, gram dal and groundnuts and keep roasting it until it slightly turns the color brown. Now add the curry leaves and dry chilli and the chopped onion and roast it until it's brown. And one more thing I want to show you, before extracting the lemon juice, I microwaved this for about 30 seconds and see how you can see the lemon juice already been extracted from it before I could put any effort. And now this will be very easy for me to extract the juice. Now I've extracted the lemon juice. Now when all this is roasted, all you need to do is add the cooked rice to it. Add required quantity of salt. Add the lemon juice. Add turmeric. Add the chopped coriander leaves. Now mix all these well. Also add the extracted lemon juice to it. Now we mixed it nicely and this is how the lemon rice looks, and you can serve it. This is ready to serve. Thanks for watching.